Today I will explain about the angle bisector theorem. So first of all, we will see the theorem. The internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divides opposite side internally in the ratio the sides containing the angle. So according to the theorem, first of all, we have to draw the figure. Let us see. Suppose we are having a triangle. Suppose we are having a triangle ABC. ABC. And suppose we are going to bisect angle A. Suppose we are going to bisect angle A. AD is the bisector of angle A. So according to the theorem, the internal bisector of an angle divides the opposite side internally in the ratio the side containing the angle. Means the ratio of these sides means BD upon DC is equals to AB upon AC. This we have to prove. If AD is the bisector of angle A, then we have to prove that BD upon DC equals to AB upon AC. This we have to prove. Then according to this figure, first of all we have to write down given. In given we have to write down whatever is given in the figure. In the figure it is given that ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle in which AD bisects angle A. After given, then we have to write down to prove. In to prove, we have to write down BD upon DC. BD upon DC equals to AB upon AC. AB upon AC. This we have to prove. After to prove, then we need the construction to prove this theorem. So let us see what is that construction. First of all, we will see the construction. We will draw the line parallel to DA. We will draw a line parallel to DA, and then we have to produce BA till point E. So in construction, we can write down, we draw CE parallel to DA. So we can write here construction. We draw CE parallel to DA. Then we produce BA to E. We produce BA to E. BA to E. After that, we have to write the final step, that is proof. So, first of all, we will name the angle. Suppose the name of this angle is 1, the name of this angle is 2, the name of this angle is 3, and the name of this angle is 4. So, I have named the angle. Angle BAD equals to 1 I have assumed. Angle DAC I have assumed angle 2. Angle ACE equals to angle 3. While angle AEC I have taken angle 4. Now after that we have to write the final step, that is proof. In proof, first of all we can write angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Why angle 1 is equals to angle 2? Because in given it is already given that AD bisects angle A. AD bisects angle A. Hence angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2 because it is already given. Now after that, since CE is parallel to DA, hence we can say that angle 2 is equals to angle 3. Angle 2 is equals to angle 3 because these two angles are pair of alternate angle. So we can write here alternate angle. Similarly, angle 1 is equals to angle 4. Angle 1 is equals to angle 4. CE is parallel to DA. Hence, angle 1 is equals to angle 4 because these two are the pairs of corresponding angle. So we can write here corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Now, since angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and here angle 2 equals to angle 3, angle 1 equals to 4. Since angle 1 and 2 both are equal, hence angle 3 is equals to angle 4. So, we can write here, hence angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Why angle 3 is equals to angle 4? Because angle 1 and 2 both are equal. Since angle 1 and 2 both are equal, hence angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Now, in triangle ACE, angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Hence, we can say that ACE is an isosceles triangle. Since angle 3 is equals to angle 4, hence ACE is an isosceles triangle. Hence, we can say AC is equals to AE. AC equals AE. Why AC and AE are equal? Because ACE is an isosceles triangle. Why this is an isosceles triangle? Because angle 3 and angle 4 both are equal. After that, we will apply Thales theorem to the triangle BCE. In triangle BCE. In triangle BCE, this BA is parallel to CE. BA is parallel to CE. DA is parallel to CE. I have already mentioned the construction. By construction, they are parallel. So, in triangle BCE, DA is parallel to CE. Hence, we can say that BD upon DC, BD upon DC equals to BD upon DC equals to BA upon AE. BA upon AE by Thales theorem. So we have to mention here. Again I am repeating, in triangle BCE, since DA is parallel to DE, hence BD upon DC is equals to BA upon AE. The ratio of these two sides are equal according to the Thales theorem. Now, BD will be as it is, no change. DC equals to BA or AB also we can write. Either we can write BA or AB. Both are representing the same thing. Now, AE. On the place of AE, we can write AC. Because I have already proved AE is equals to AC. So, on the place of AE, I have written AC. So, this is proved.